Dear guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, yes, the nearby attractions and landmark also. Find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 5. Category 6. To talk about the amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen, it's required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Business class and guests want to enjoy the surroundings. Facilities of rooms are available online. You can book online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. Experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video of our